Hi, I'm Dan from DPJ Plumbing, Heating and Gas. We're here to do the first year service on this Baxi 800 boiler. It's the combi boiler, it's the 830 model. We're Baxi Approved Installers, so this install has been done to a very high standard. So with the case off, we have got the heat exchanger at the top here with the burner. We've got the expansion vessel there. This is your control panel with your computer inside. The computer's in this bit. Got your gas valve, you've got your fan over here, you've got your condense trap, PRV, pump, and then secondary heat exchanger at the back for the combi bit. Yeah, and that's it. Wiring's in this. And then with the Baxi 800, for the 10-year warranty, they also supply a magnetic filter to keep your system clean. I'll be opening that up and checking to see how dirty that is, but it'll be pretty clean because I flushed the system out when I installed the boiler. This is just a non-return valve for the condense, and that's it really. And then you've got all your valves at the bottom. So this is gas, this is your filling loop, you pull that down to top of the pressure, but that's all good. You got your heating, that's your flow, your returns over here, and then your cold, which is this lever here, can be isolated there. So yeah, that's our install and our first year service. And those are that's the access point for testing the gases with the flue analyzer. So this is one of our installs from a year ago. We're Baxi Approved Installers, and it's looking pretty good. Thanks for watching.